Hello there, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. I'm Chef Johnny, and today we're going to grill up some New York strip steaks on our Weber Performer. Got the Performer hot, and I have this set up kind of like you would do a slow smoke. What I've done is I put some foil on this side. I got one of the char baskets on the other side with all of the coal baskets over there. And so we've got that going. It's not quite as hot on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the steaks over here. I'm going to let them catch some smoke. And then right at the end, I'm going to take them and I'm going to sear each one of them off over the hot fire. This kettle's good and hot. I'm going to clean off the grate. It's a great time to do it is when it's hot. They clean a whole lot better. That is off there. Now I'm going to take my steaks and I'm going to place them on here. I have a nice coffee rub on here. I'll put a link in the bottom for my coffee rub. It's a very good rub. I make it up from Ranch Hand Blend coffee, and I'll put a link in there so that you can find them. Great guys over there. Buster and Bert, got to meet them last year in Amarillo. Super great guys. So I drink their coffee and I use their coffee in my coffee rubs. Comes out real good, but I'm gonna leave these steaks here for just a few minutes. I'm gonna close this kettle up. Let's get to cooking and see how it comes out with our coffee rub on them. Time to check on these steaks. Made a little adjustment just now. I went to my Weber kettle. I had open about a quarter so we get that good smoke and not too much heat. Now I want it to get hotter. I've opened up that air vent on the bottom all the way so it's full open. That fire should come up a little bit better, and we sear these steaks off. They are nice and smoky. Let's take this and I'm going to lay that steak right over the fire. Got to watch for a little bit of a flare up because they are very close to the coals. We're dripping fat down on them. So if the flames get too high, I'll move those steaks off, put them back over on the cool side of the pit. Those are looking good. I'm going to flip them over. We're just still working on this sear. Going to take these up. My wife likes them medium, so what I'm going to do is for her is I'm going to take it up to about 135, 140 degrees. It'll carry over and get nice pink in the middle for her. For me, pull mine and my son's off about that 125 to 130 degrees range. I'm going to take this one off. It's my wife's. It's been on there. It's got some nice sear marks. We're going to take it off and let it cool. This one's doing pretty well. It's not quite as hot. Pull it off. It'll probably be good for my son. He likes his a little between medium and medium rare. Now, for me, get these down on that hot grill. We're going to sear them off real quick. And it's not too long. I had them about 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes in the smoke. And then I'm going about 2 minutes on each side over the fire. My wife's probably went about 3 minutes. But wanted to make sure hers was cooked good. Finish these off. I'll slice them up and let you see how they look. Steaks are looking really good. They're starting to feel good. They got a light, still have, they're soft, but they're springing back some. So I'm going to say they're just about the right temperature. Move some of these off the cutting board so I can slice on the other one. There's the two cooked a little more. And these two over here ought to be the ones a little bit pinker in the middle. Let's see if we can slice this steak up. See how it turned out. Looks like I might have overshot medium a little bit. I mean medium rare and went all the way to medium. Thin steaks, you got to be careful. And one reason for that is that longer smoke. Then I let them just sear a little bit too long. But I can tell you this, these are moist. They are juicy steaks. Nothing wrong with them at all. Nice and tender. That coffee rub just really shines through. It accents the flavor of the beef very, very well. Slice this up the rest of the way. And let me show you how we're going to serve it. These steaks are ready, and I tell you what we're going to serve them with tonight is a little mushroom and wine sauce. I'm just going to drizzle some over the top of these. I had some onions I sauteed, and then I sauteed my mushrooms with it. I have a recipe for a mushroom and wine sauce. I'll put that down below for the link. Cooked one up just the other day, so let y'all see that, how it turns out. But these steaks are looking beautiful, and I think they're going to taste even better. Thanks for joining in on my New York strip steaks with a mushroom and wine sauce cooked on this Weber grill. I tell you what, this performer is a lot of fun to have. If you look down below, I have a link for the barbecueguys.com. This is a great place for you to pick up a Weber kettle. They got great prices on those. But I tell you what, they're good guys. I bought my Lion grill from them, so give them a view. Go look at their website. Remember to go through my link, because I tell you what, the affiliates are how we keep this channel going. It helps us be able to pay the bills, to buy more food, to get new cameras and lights so that we can do a better job of providing our videos for y'all. So I'd really appreciate if you check out that link. Remember, I have a link for Thermopens. I got a link for Amazon also. Got a store over there at Amazon. Got a Cabela's link. So if you're ever buying things like that and you want to help out the channel, use those affiliates. Sure would appreciate it a lot. And thanks for stopping by. Always appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the steaks. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.